This auction was entitled Mesc Phones, or something along the lines of that. It's a great deal. I think it was only $7, but the grammar was pretty bad. Anyway, so let's see what we have here. Oh, they used the fake news to get it here. Oh, what a mess! Really? I mean, it's good to recycle use of paper, I guess, but would it? Okay, anyways, I'll try to get these out without making a total disaster. It's a charging cradle. You know what? Everything is wrapped individually, so I shouldn't complain. There's people that would just throw this stuff in the box and not even wrap it up. Batteries, those are probably used. We were just having a discussion in the comments box today about that logo. I guess for a period of time they stopped putting the letters on the logo. I think it'll look better with the letters. Like that logo. I like that logo better. Okay, this is taking a long time. I didn't think it would take this long. All the power cords. Phone cords, as if I don't have enough of these. Make sure I don't miss anything in here. I think that's everything. Well, it only made a partial mess. It wasn't too bad. I thought it was going to be a major mess, but it wasn't. Okay, so now let's take a look at the telephones that we have. This is an AT&T. You know what, I'm going to leave everything wrapped up this way. I can just throw it in the box and not worry about it getting messed up. So this is an AT&T. This is a newer model I've never worked with before. There's a handset for it. looks like we have 3 handsets for it. And only 1 cradle. These all the same? Yeah, so we got two charges and 1 extra handset. We have an older... I wonder if these 2 would work. Yeah, a little bit different size. Probably not. Anyways, we have an older AT&T cradle. A Panasonic 6 Plus. This is model KXTG4731. Pretty good phone. And it looks like we're going to have... There's 2 different Panasonic models here. There's the handset for it. Handset there. And we have 2 handsets for that. I think we do have 3 handsets for that. So we have those 2 cradles. So there's that. We have another Panasonic phone. This is another model I happen to like. This is an older model. It's KXTG7621. And that takes these handsets. Not sure if these cradles, I think that cradle definitely goes with that, so that's complete. And then we have this phone, which is looks like it's a Motorola's. This is probably I don't think I have a way to use this. Yeah, it's a Motorola something or other with no base. And then we have 3 unit and 5.8s, 2 charges, but no base. The good thing about these handsets is I believe they can be registered, so if I get a base for these, I have 2 extra handsets I can tack on. So that's that for $7. Pretty good deal. And here's the 2 batteries that it came with. Looks like these are the AT&T batteries.